Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey, that generation right here. And if you guys have problems with the front right power window not working, you need to find which fuse is for that window. We will explain where the fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience today. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So we'll demonstrate where the front right power window fuse is located on 2015 Honda Odyssey that we have right here. You guys have specifically 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to just open the fuse box that's on the passenger side. Right here on the bottom right, you have one cover that you remove, and once you guys remove that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now let me zoom in a little bit. Before we continue, let me explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where is now the fuse, guys, for the front right power window? If you look right here, you're going to have 2 rows of fuses. On the bottom one, you start with fuse number 1. The numbers will be listed right here on the bottom. Number 1 to number 15. Then you right here have, okay, if you pay attention, here is number 16, 17, 18. That fuse number 18, guys, are 20 amp fuse. 1, 2, 3, the third fuse from right to left. Okay, even if you have an empty spot, you count it. That's the fuse that you need to check for front right power window. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.